Introduction to the question on introduction to sequence. So the first question, the next two terms of the sequence are 4 minus 1. So number one. So the first question, the next two terms of the sequence, 4 minus 1 minus 6 minus 11 minus 16 and so on. So the next two terms, so if we look at the difference between the first and the second, so it is minus 5, that is t common difference equals to t2 minus t1 or t3 minus no minus minus t2, so minus t2, so which is equals to minus 1 minus 4 is the same thing as minus 6 minus 1, so which is equals to minus 5, which is the same thing as minus 6 plus 1. So minus 5 equals to minus 5. It means the difference between the first and is minus 5. So we'll be adding minus 5 to, we'll add minus 5 to the first term to get the second term, add minus 5 to the second term to get the third term, and so on. So to get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we're given from first term to fifth term, we are looking for sixth and seventh term. So the sixth term will now be T6 equals to uh, T5 minus 5. So which is equals to minus 16 minus 5, which is minus 21. Then T7 equals to T6 minus 5, so which is minus 21 minus 5, which is minus 31. Minus 26 minus 26. So the next two terms are minus 21 comma minus 26. That is option A. So number 2. So question number 2. The second term of the sequence. So the nth term of the sequence is Tn equals to 7n minus 3. So second term, that is when n is 2, T2 equals to 7 into 2 minus 3, which is 14 minus 3, which is equals to 11. That is option D. Then number 3. Number 3, the nth term of the sequence, 50, 40, 30. So 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and so on. So the nth term formula is Tn equals A plus n minus 1 D. So where A is 50 plus n, so we are looking for the nth term, minus 1, common difference. Common difference, that is 40 minus 50 plus minus 10. So we now have 50 plus minus 10 times n minus 10n, then plus 10. That is minus 1 times minus 10. So we now have 50 minus 10n plus 10. So which is equals to 50 plus 10 minus 10n. So which is equals to 60 minus 10n. That is option A. Option A. So option A, that is for number 3. Then number 4. Question number 4. Find the 10th term of the sequence. So since it is in AP, we look for the common difference. So common difference equals T2 minus T1. So which is equals to minus 10 minus 5. So which is equals to minus 10 plus 5, which is equals to minus 5. So the number of 10 we are looking for is 10. Then the first term is minus 5. So we now have Tn equals to a plus 10 minus 1d. So we have T10 equals to minus 5 plus 10 minus 1 into minus common difference minus 5. So we now have minus 5 plus 9 into minus 5. So we have minus 5 plus, minus 45. So which is equals to minus 50, and minus 50 is option A. Then number 5. So question number 5. So question number 5 says, what is the sum of the 6th and the 10th term? So number 5, the nth term formula Tn equals to n squared plus 5. So T6 plus T10, that is the sum, which is equals to T6, that is 6 squared plus 5, then plus T10, 10 raised to power 2 plus 5. So we now have 36 plus 5 plus 100 plus 5. So we now have 41 plus 105. So 41 plus 105, 41 plus 105, that is 146. That is option C. Then number 6. So question number 6. Number 6 says, find the 5th term of the sequence. So the nth term is Tn equals 5n minus 3 all over 4. So since we are looking for 5th term, that is T5 equals to 5 into 5 minus 3. So 5 into 5 minus 3 all over 4. So which is equals to 25 minus 3 all over 4. That is 22 all over 4. So which is 11 over 2. That is option 11 over 2. That's option A. Option A. Number 7. Find the next two terms of the sequence 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, minus 14, and so on. So the next two terms will be, the difference is minus 2 minus 2, that is T2 minus T1, which is minus 2 minus 2, which is minus 4. Then the second common difference, T3 minus T2 equals to minus 6 minus 2, which is equals to minus 6 plus 2, which is minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4, which means we had minus 4 to the first to get the second, add minus 4 to the second to get the third. So minus 14 minus 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are looking for 6 and 7. It's going to be T5, T5 so T5 plus minus 4. So which is equals to minus 14 minus 4, which is minus 18. So the next one, that is T7, will be minus 18 minus 4, which is minus 22. So the correct answer is option B. That is minus 18 minus 22, option B. Then number 8. Question 8. Which term in the sequence 100, 95 as the value. So the nth term, Tn is minus 20. First term is 100, and common difference is 94 minus 100, which is minus 6. Minus 6. So now say Tn equals to A plus n minus 1d. So Tn minus 20 equals 100 plus n minus 1, common difference minus 6. So you now have minus 20 minus 100 equals to, open the bracket, or n minus 1 in bracket, then minus 6. Then you now simplify. So minus 20 minus 100, that's minus 120 equals to minus 6n plus 6. So collect the like term, we have 6n equals to 6 plus 120. So 6n equals to 126. So n equals to 126 over 6. So n equals here 2, here 1, that's 21. So the answer is 21, which is option C. Option 6. Then number 9. Question number 9. So question 9 says, find the next two terms of the sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, fourth term, then fifth term. So we are looking for sixth and seventh. 3, 6 equals to, so let's not repeat that. 9 minus 4, that is 5. 14 minus 9, 5. So the common difference is 5. So you have 5 to this. So 25, that is T, 5 plus 4. We give us 24 plus 4, which is 28. Then T7 equals T6 plus 4. Plus 5. Plus 5, plus 5. So it's plus 5. It's plus 5. So that is T5 plus 5. Plus 5, which is 24 plus 5. That is 29. Then T6 plus 5, which is 29 plus 5, which is 34. So the next two terms are 29 and 34. That is option B. So question 10 is find the 25th term of the sequence. So nth term is Tn equals n squared plus 5. Then 25th term when n is 25. So we have T 25 equals 25 raised to the power 2 plus 5. So which is 25 squared, that is 625. 625 plus 5, which is equals to 630. That is option B. So that is that on the correction to the given exercise. Thank you.